On this experiment, I'm titrating using apple cider vinegar on 1 ml of baking soda, as you can notice. Yeah. So I actually did my own graduated cylinder using a glass long tube bottle. So I have calibrated it to about 4 ml here. I prepared a 1 ml of solution of baking soda for this titration, and I have vinegar. So at the ending I'm gonna have about 68 drops, because I'm using drops in terms of this. Now towards the ending, that will give me about 10 ml of solution from the reaction, and then I will use this to actually perform my calculation for the experiment.